So Elon Musk and Tesla just struck another deal with another major automaker just weeks after they announced a partnership with Ford, and then a week after that they announced a partnership with GM, General Motors, and now they just announced another partnership with Rivian. And at this point, I'm sure you guys know these partnerships have to deal with Tesla's supercharging network, right? They have 12,000 superchargers out there, and these companies, Ford, GM, Rivian, they have nowhere near that, infrastructure built, which is why they're looking to but looking to partner with Tesla. It's a win-win, right? Think about it, guys. For Ford, GM, Rivian, it's way too expensive for them to go out and build their own network, so they're just like, why not partner with Tesla? They already have the network, the infrastructure. They're going to have adapters, I believe, until 2024 to use the superchargers, right? Then by 2025, all the new vehicles are going to have the Tesla port already in the car, right? So you're not going to need an adapter. So this is huge news, guys. Tesla just keeps on making these partnerships, and honestly, I think there's more to come.